Good morning, friends. Welcome to online classes. This is Kiran Sir's voice, and we are going to deal a new poem on the grasshopper and cricket. Everyone knows that grasshopper and cricket are the insects, and in this poem, John Keats describing nature, loveliness of nature. And grasshopper is the represent of the summer season, and cricket is represent the winter season. In a first stanza we discuss about the grasshopper, and actually we have the knowledge about the grasshopper. And grasshopper, this is the represent of the summer season, and actually these are the things we discuss in a first stanza. Now we are going to deal the second stanza. In this second stanza, cricket is an insects we are going to deal, and this is the representing the winter season. Okay, I hope first stanza you already understand. Now we are going to deal the second stanza about the cricket. The poetry of earth is ceasing never, ceasing put an end. On a long winter, everything when the frost, everyone have the knowledge of frost and ड्रॉप्स ऑफ रेन, जिसे हम दवा बिंदु भी कह सकते हैं. ही wrought a silent, wrought, this is the form करना. From the store there thrills and a loud sound. Okay, the cricket song in warmth increasing ever. Warmth, this is the heat energy, जिसे हम गर्माहट भी बोल सकते हैं. And seem to one in drowsiness half lost, drowsiness half sleep, आधी नींद. The grasshopper among some grassy hills. These are the lines, 6 lines, and we have to discuss about these lines. See one by one. The poetry of earth is ceasing never. John Keats described in a second stanza about the cricket. The poetry of earth is ceasing never. Ceasing never means poetry of the earth, this is the endless. वहाँ पर कभी पोइट्री, धरती पर की कभी पोइट्री ख़त्म ही नहीं होती. On a long winter evening when a frost has wrought silent. On a one evening of the winter, that time also frost, having their frost wrought silent means there is a form silent. जहाँ तक कि किसी ने साइलेंट क्रिएट किए हो, ऐसी एक विंटर इवनिंग. एंड when the frost there, frost means dava bindu, drop of the rain. From the store there thrills, from the store there still, वहाँ से भी आवाज़ आती है, the cricket songs. So John Keats describes here in this line about the cricket, and John Keats said that there is an endless poetry on the earth, and there is a thrill sound. There is a thrill sound when the frost is having there and having a wrought silent. In that one winter evening, cricket insect was singing there in warmth increasing ever. In warm increasing ever, and seemed to one in drowsiness half lost, the grasshopper among some grassy hills. इन वार्मथ इंक्रीज इन एवर, जहाँ तक गर्माहट एनर्जी होती है. एंड सीम टू वन अ ड्रॉजिनेस हाफ लॉस, एंड दे आर अ क्रिकेट इंसेक्ट हैविंग द स्लीप देयर, एंड ग्रासहॉपर अमॉन्ग द सम ग्रासी हिल्स. ग्रासहॉपर among some grassy hills at that time in winter season, having the frost there, and there a cricket insect singing a song there with a thrill voice, making a form there, a frost also, and that time the cricket having the doziness. Doziness means half sleeping, where the grasshoppers among some grassy hills. वहाँ पर जो ग्रासी हिल्स है वहाँ पर क्रिकेट आराम फैलाते हुए गाने गाता है. So this is the meaning of these three lines. In first stanza we discuss about the grasshopper, and this is the grasshopper represent of the summer and with its luxury. In second stanza John Keats describe about the cricket insect, and this cricket insect sleeping on the grassy hills, taking the drowsiness and singing a song there. Okay, the very simple poem. In this poem they are represent the grasshopper and cricket as a summer and winter. In first stanza they are discussing about the grasshopper, in second stanza they are discussing about the cricket. And actually I hope that you understand the meaning of this poem. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.